Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisa Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. So ngena kuma-players we-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ukuthi uSilva wathini mejoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs, nocele i-big interview yakhe, uvele bayi noBatman, and then ukuthi even umphathi we-Kaizer Chiefs laphana uKaizer Motaung Junior ukuthi wathini mekusayina uBatman, ukuthi sekuneminyaka bambhekile uBatman, hhayi ukuthi nje bavele bamsayina manje, bakhuluma nange-history yakhe kancane. And then ngizovala ngabantu abadlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs abayi-2, uJabu Pule noJunior Khanya, ukuthi babethandwa kanjani labantu laba ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu. Kaizer Chiefs yayikhipha ney'tatimenti ba-protect-a, but-ke asiqale ngezamanje ezi-exciting. I-strike esi-exciting kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa bafethu at the moment, uSilva, umuntu abamsayine laphana e-Indonesia, one-citizenship yase-Portugal neyase-Guinea Bissau, laba bamselekte khona ku-national team. Uthi umotivated ukuthi asize i-Kaizer Chiefs, uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs inama-target amakhulu bafowethu, bafuna uku-achieve izinto ey'nkulu this season. So uthi yena ujabule ukuthi uyakwazi uku-contribute laphana noma ukusiza i-team ku-Kaizer Chiefs. La sikhuluma nge-striker bafethu esikhulu, kuthiwa-ke uSilva weza laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, he was recommended by ucoach Nabi ne-technical team yakhe for i-assessment, izinto ezinjalo. So i-striker-ke esine-experience kakhulu lesi bafethu uSilva. Uyabona ukuthi la sikhuluma ngomuntu nje owiki bafethu, sikhuluma ngomuntu omisele naye. Uyambona ukuthi umisele kanjani noma ekhuluma nge-team, nanokuthi udirect ukuthi bafuna uku-achieve-ani as i-team, bafuna uku-achieve izinto ey'nkulu, meaning that ku-continental level bafuna ukwenza kahle, domestic bafuna ukwenza kahle. Kusho ukuthi i-league ne-continental ne-CAF Confederations Cup babhekile lezo zinto lezo. If they can get one and then bazoba ne-successful season-ke, already uyawashaya amagoli umfethu, so uza kahle kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Into esingamncoma ngayo, sisho ukuthi okay, mina I doubted him, I won't lie, I doubted him, mangimbona ngithi hhayi, but-ke ukumbona ukuthi uyi-traditional number 9 kumele bamdlalise nge-advantage yakhe noma nge-strength sakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uzokwazi ukuwashaya amagoli. Umphathi we-Kaizer Chiefs laphana bafowethu, when they were announcing uBatman bejabule kakhulu, ethi uBatman ithalente ngempela, umfana omncane laphana o-exciting. Uthi wathi bambheke for ama-seasons ambalwa bafowethu laphana ku-club level, which is i-Cape Town Spurs le yabo, naku-Bay Hill Cup le abayidlalayo ama-youngsters. Uthi kula bamvotela khona ukuthi waba yi-player of the tournament. Uthi even kuma-under 17 lo muntu lo wadlala laphana ku-AFCON. Uthi bayabhilive ukuthi uBatman laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs uzoletha i-value nanokuthi u-versatile laphana phambili, uyakwazi ukudlala as i-striker futhi uyakwazi ukudlala as i-wing. So they look forward ukuthi bambone laphana edlala for i-first team. Uyabona umphathi we-Kaizer Chiefs amagama akhe lawa bafethu. uBatman akusiyi-striker nje kuphela, uyakwazi nokudlala ezi-wing, meaning that banama-options-ke ku-Kaizer Chiefs amaningi ukuthi bangakwazi ukumbeka esayidini if maybe u-striking department basase-covered okwamanje. So yeah, o-coach abazodicide, bangaloke ba-act-a ngathi ama-robot, bathi uzodlala as i-striker nje kuphela. No, i-versatility khona, u-versatile, uyakwazi uku-contribute kuma-department a-different noma kumalokhunjana, kuma-positions a-different. So kumele ba-make sure ukuthi bam-introduce-a kahle laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, i-confidence yakhe, he hasn't even made the match day squad, but siya-understand ukuthi bekusasenecala bebasalisolva laphana. But yeah, bajabule kakhulu ukuthi abe khona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, azokwazi ukubasiza. Umdlalo o-exciting, ngiyamuzwa uKaizer Motaung ukuthi kudala bambhekele sekuneminyaka, hhayi ukuthi nje bavele bamdonsa manje. Novele baye bafethu wayejabule kakhulu laphana ukujoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs. Wakhuluma naye ukuthi owakuphi, ku-Kaizer Chiefs kuvele baye une-long term contract, so we're looking at more than 3 years bafethu, more than 3-4 years if kune-clause, maybe bamsayinise 3 years plus-ke cause bona bavele bathi long term, so i-long term bafethu more than 3-4 years. So uthi uvele baye laphana yena umuntu walaphana wase-Cape Town, but ukuthi original wase-Eastern Cape. So introduction yakhe laphana, and then uthi ujabule kakhulu ukuthi adlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi akakwazi nokuyichaza i-feeling leyo yazizwa ngakhona ukuthi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi immediately mezwe iy'ndaba ukuthi-ke officially bejoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs, into ayenza laphana ukufonela umama wakhe nefamily yakhe ukubasherela laphana iy'ndaba ezinhle. Uthi bejabule kakhulu. Uthi bekuyiphupho lakhe vele ukuthi eze laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. ubona kuyi-opportunity enkulu vele ukuthi abe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Siyazi ukuthi uVelebane bafethu i-Kaizer Chiefs seyimfune for 2 years kudala imgijimisa ikhiphe imali, but-ke ba-reject-a laphana bafuna imali e-more. Finally-ke ufikile ku-Kaizer Chiefs and udlale kahle. So far udlala kahle kakhulu. Continental level against Simba simbonile moments of brilliance, sambona futhi naku-Betway Premiership ukuthi unaso i-speed and then uyi-hard worker for laphana i-Kaizer Chiefs. Already kuVelebane bafethu usedlalile laphana kuBafana Bafana wayi-represent laphana ku-COSAFA 2023 Cup laphana eGqaberha. So i-challenge-ke le ukuthi obvious aze laphana eze noma eJoburg esuka laphana eCape Town, obvious izinto azifani nempilo nje ayifani. Nangu uVelebane-ke lana bafethu uyakhuluma ukuthi waqala ukudlala ibhola emncane kakhulu laphana around the age of 7 or 8, landela kuma-footsteps noma ebheka obhuti bakhe laphana abawu-2 abebadlala ibhola. Uthi-ke i-team yakhe yokuqala beyilaphana elokishini ePhilip. Uthi mekana-11 wajoyina i-Ajax Cape Town bafethu, le ya-change yaba Cape Town Spurs. 11 to 22, 10 years, 11 years lapho esethimini. Uyasho nje ukuthi since ena-11 wabajoyina laphana since then. So uVelebane-ke uyaqhubeka lana ngenkulumo yakhe. Uthi-ke uyakwazi ukudlala ku-right hand side, uyakwazi ukudlala ezi-number 10, kusho ukuthi uyakwazi ukudlala ku-2 i-left and right wing. Uthi but-ke u-committed ukuthi aperforme noma ngabe yiphi i-role abamnika yona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Well, to be honest bafethu siyazi ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs imgijimise for isikhathi eside, so abantu abaningi beba-excited ukubona uVelebane laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. It was exciting for everybody ukuthi umfana omncane une-opportunity ukuthi a-represent i-team engaka enkulu kangaka, and i-agent yakhe nalo la confirm ukuthi uVelebane bemstressa ngempela le ndaba lokuthi kunecala, akazi ukuthi u-Kaizer Chiefs uzohlala. But-ke i-agent lakhe uLance Davis livele lathi hhayi bebazibona ukuthi bazoliwina le cala leli because of baya-understand imithetho yalaphana ebholeni. I-Cape Town Spurs beyiza ngamaqhinga nje angekho. Nangu uVelebane-ke uthi uyavala-ke la, uthi uthanda ukubonga ama-supporters ngokumu-welcome-a kahle kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi uyathemba ukuthi kuzoba isizini enhle kakhulu yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs nama-fans. Kusho ukuthi bazokwazi ukuwajabulisa laphana ama-fans bawalethele ama-results. Izoqhubeka isizini njengoba bawudlala laphana e-away Egypt ne-Al Masry, la bazoba under pressure khona ukuthi ba-deliver, but i-Kaizer Chiefs i-confident ukuthi ingakwazi ukuyithola i-3 points away from home because of bane-squad esi-right esingakwazi ukucompete, and futhi bayabhelieve ukuthi bangakwazi ukuyishaya iZamalek laphana ePolokwane. But siyobona meseyidlala igame cause singakhuluma kuze kuse, but-ke once uNompempe wayishaya yaqala laphana i-match, it's a different ball game because 22 men inside the field of play, they're just chasing one ball. But i-strategy nokuplana okuzohlukanisa ama-team wo-2 ukuthi okay, this team stands out, this one doesn't, le kwenzakala so na so, but bane-team ezokwazi ukukhompyutha njengoba ngihlezi ngisho bafowethu. Ngifuna ukungena kwi-interview enkulu kaCele because of i-important interview kaCele mabam-introducer, izinto beyikhuluma laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Siyabona ukuthi umuntu lo beyimisele kakhulu mefika laphana ethimini, efuna ngempela ukusiza i-team ucontribute immensely, ameke sure ukuthi naye mhlawumbe uyakhumbuleka in terms of abanye abadlali ofana nabanye abadlali abake badlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Amagama kaCele bafowethu ukuthi bafuna ukudlala kahle laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi ba-deliver ama-results. Uthi for yena but-ke futhi uthi man sorry, bafuna ukuyithatha i-Kaizer Chiefs ba-restore lese pride yayo bayibeke endaweni e-right la i-deserve khona bafowethu, phezulu ebholeni lase-South Africa. So uvele ujoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-team ekudala phupha ukuthi ayidlalele njengoba elaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Amagama kaCele bafowethu lawa. Following-ke ukuthi adlale laphana e-Europe, wadlala ePortugal, wadlala eRussia, wadlala kuphi kuphi, uzochaza nakunkulumo yakhe. Ukhulele lapha kwaMasha umfana-ke, naye waba inspired ukuthi alandele vele i-beautiful game which is ibhola. So uthi-ke yena ibhola-ke lisuka kuphi, li-around ikhasilonke vele kudlalwa ibhola. Uthi cousin yakhe endala iyo beyi-serious ngalezi zinto lezi zebhola, ifuna ngempela ukudlala professionally. Uthi bemlandela njalo naye ubhuti wakhe, and then ukuthi bekayithanda nje i-environment yebhola, so beka-inspired ngempela ukuthi naye aphushe laphana ebholeni. So uCele-ke i-began laphana obviously-ke as a youngster edlala kuma-local junior teams. So ithalent lakhe soon la-recognise-wa ukuthi bamnika ama-opportunities ukuthi azidevelophe to the highest level. Na ngiyaqhubeka ucele ngamagama akhe bafowethu, uthi waba ne-tough upbringing kusho ukuthi laphana maybe ebholeni or so, but uvele wathi nje izinto bokunzima nakuye, but-ke uthi i-journey yakhe interesting so far. Uqala ukudlala laphana elokishini njengawo wonke umfana, and then wadlala ku-Induna Academy, then-ke uthi waqala ukudlala more professional ku-academy ebizwa kuthiwa Stars of Africa. Siyayazi-ke i-Stars of Africa bafethu, i-academy strong ekwazi ukupromotha ama-player and then iwalinke to ama-professional teams. Uthi-ke from lapho-ke wabuyela kuNduna futhi, Induna bafowethu, yeah. After that-ke uthi-ke about the age of 15 then wajoyina i-KZN Academy la spenda khona unyaka and a half before athola i-opportunity yokuthi aye laphana ePortugal, kula dlala khona i-third division, and then waye Poland, waye Russia, njengoba sebuyile-ke la eSouth Africa. So kumele performa kahle laphana overseas already-ke. Wathola i-attention from ku-national team kula baqala khona ukumselecta. Waba laphana ku-COSAFA team noma ku-COSAFA Cup, eseyadlala 5 times-ke laphana kuBafana Bafana under i-COSAFA Cup. So uyasho ukuthi as a young footballer, uthi kudala ephupha ukuthi vele a-represent-e i-national team noma ngithi Bafana Bafana at any level. Uyasho nje ukuthi ultimate-ke ultimate noma ekugcineni akwazi ukudlala i-World Cup noma represent-e i-South Africa laphana ku-World Cup. Uthi for yena izinto zakaqala laphana mayefika ePortugal, and then wakwazi ukuthi abizwe laphana ku-under 20 ku-South Africa, wenza kahle kakhulu. Uthi fortunate enough-ke bamselect ukuthi a-represent ama-under 23 laphana kuma-Olympic Games ngo-2020. Uthi although azange bakwazi ukuwina, but-ke uthi yena wadlala kahle kakhulu. Ukuthi-ke loko kwa-lead-a to ukuthi yena abe ku-team ye-COSAFA and wagain experience ngempela enkulu. Uyasho ukuthi it was a huge honor for yena ukuthi adlale laphana. Uthi manje-ke nayi i-promise yakhe or izinto lesi bekazifuna. Uthi manje-ke i-ambition yakhe or into ayibhekile ukuthi a-represent i-national team iBafana Bafana, njengoba futhi uyayincoma iBafana Bafana ukuthi hayi yenza kahle kakhulu, so naye iphupho lakhe ukuthi abe yi-part of iBafana Bafana. Uthi-ke iphupho lakhe since ayintwana laphana or emncane ukuthi a-represent iBafana Bafana. So udlalile ePortugal, Russia, Premier League nama-teams a-different. Ucele-ke u-strong in terms of ethimini Mombek when he's on song, cause mangimbukela laphana eRussia bafethu ama-clip wakhe, ngiyabona ukuthi okay, e-Europe babamnika isikhala sokuthi abe free and then akwazi ukurelax ebholeni. That is why umbona ukuthi ucele akekho that quick. Why? Because of European football, they don't breathe down your neck isikhathi esiningi mawubamba ibhola. They give you a place, noma ngithi a space to trap the ball and then ukwazi ukubheka, and then maybe bazama ukupressa mawusondela laphana eboxini. But-ke yena as i-midfielder bekathola isikhala esikhulu ukuthi akwazi atraphe, ajike kahle, abheke ama-teammate wakhe. Ubhethe i-premiership isikhathi esiningi, usathi uyatrapha sebala, yabo bayalifuna ibhola kudlalwa. Yeah, so yeah. Uthi iphupho lakhe bekuwukuthi adlale laphana kuma-big leagues e-Europe since emncane, but-ke izinto azange zihambe kahle laphana e-Europe. Okay, that's a different interview yakhe. Ngiyayikhumbula makayisho wathi izinto azange zihambe kahle, awuzange ufike laphana kuma-big leagues e-Europe, but akusho ukuthi ufeyilile because of ukwazi ukudlala away from home. Uthi-ke but-ke ilo ever since eyintwana noma emncane laphana bekafuna ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs because of i-team ayithandayo. Uthi you know what I mean, and then uthi eventually-ke kwenzekile ukuthi adlalele i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ushilo ukuthi it's been a process because of there were rumors floating around ukuthi previous years ukuthi uza ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke manje sefikile ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi iplan lakaNkulunkulu nje ukuthi izinto zihambe kanjani noma izinto zenzeke ngakhona, but-ke into emjabulisa kakhulu ukuthi yena usayine nethimu beyithanda vele semncane, i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana. Uthi-ke since afikile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bam-receive kahle kakhulu laphana. Uthi akazi uthi akakwazi nokuyichaza lento lokuthi wazizwa kanjani naye. Same thing as uVele Baye. Uthi akakwazi nokuyichaza lento lokuthi wazizwa kanjani that time ejoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi from the first minute melenda laphana e-airport, which is O.R. Tambo International Airport, mefika laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, everything was just amazing. Not just for yena but nefamily yakhe. Uthi abantu even back at home they went crazy. Kusho abantu bebajabule kakhulu, bemfonela bejabulile ukuthi uyojoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi for yena i-opportunity enkulu ukuthi adlalele i-team enkulu kangaka and akwazi ukukhula as a-player. Uthi hopefully-ke angakwazi ukuyisiza i-team. Uthi because of bayafila ngathi i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-right track ukuthi i-compete for ama-trophies again. Well, sebakwazile ukuyiwina i-Nedbank Cup. Uthi-ke there's a sense of positivity laphana esquadini se-Kaizer Chiefs and wonke umuntu involved laphana ethimini. Uthi even i-security staff, uthi-ke uwumuntu vele othanda ukuba positive, so ukuza kwi-environment efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs ku-right kakhulu. Yeah. Ukhulume nangama-fans-ke makawamention ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi-ke kumele akhulume nangawo ukuthi no awekho ama-supporters afana nama-supporters we-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi the fact that-ke wonke umuntu, everyone knows around the country ukuthi the passion yama-fans is unmatched, as uthi ama-players they know ukuthi kumele babajabulise ngempela laphana ama-supporters, ngoba ama-supporters naye ayakwazi ukubasiza, ukuba-motivate ukuthi benze kahle kakhulu laphana inside the field of play. So ukujabulisa ama-supporters nanokuthi ama-supporters ayadeserve ukuthi ajabule. Uthi uyayifila i-support kubo bonke abantu nje aba-around and uya-appreciate-a. Yeah, uceleke le interview yakhe, but-ke meyivala laphana uthi yena into ayiplanile nje laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi asize i-team, kusho ukuthi ngey'ndlela nje ezi-different angakwazi ukusiza ngayo. Uthi uyafuna uku-experience ukuthi ashaye igoli lakhe la ku-Kaizer Chiefs lokuqala madoda. Sazi ukuthi uzolishaya nini igoli, simbonile ukuthi i-previous game ube ne-opportunity ukuthi akore laphana, but unfortunately akakwazanga ukuyi-convert-a leya opportunity leya, but it was out of 18, but I was impressed. Khona nala washaya khona ipala, igoli alikakafuni bafowethu akafuni, usahluleka ukukora umfowethu, but uzoloka wathola ama-opportunities. I think kumele adrive moya laphana phambili, uzowathola ama-opportunities ukuthi akore. Then okay, before ngimuva kuCele, uCele kuzoba nzima kakhulu this season, kumele amisele naye to up his game ngempela, cause laphana ku-midfield abaningi bafethu abantu abadlala kuleya position le. Even khona abawomapayo laphana ebhentshini, uyababona uMaboy, anytime they're ready to play there. So uNgcobo naye is good pass of the ball this season, u-improvile ngempela. Siyazi ukuthi uyaleka in terms of ukumaka uNgcobo, but-ke in terms of i-contribution yakhe already senalo igoli laphana this season for i-Kaizer Chiefs. So Cele naye kumele up igame yakhe, because even uNdlovu senalo igoli, labantu laba badlala i-position eyi-1 noCele. Yeah, yiwo-ke amagama kaCele lawo, nanokuthi ufuna ukumisela kanjani. Then I wanna go to the big one bafethu. Junior Khanye, he tend to become i-enemy le-Kaizer Chiefs laphana. After a fruitful stay, well, not really a fruitful stay, but-ke bebamthanda ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bamsizile ukutshentsha impilo yakhe ukuthi kubo, ba-make sure ukuthi u-covered, u-right. Naye uyasho nje kwamanye ama-interviews or mekhuluma ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs yatshentsha impilo yakhe because of through i-Kaizer Chiefs wakwazi ukwakha umuzi wakubo noma uku-extenda, kwakhuluma ukuthi wakuwumkhukhu kunjani njani, but-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs ya-make sure ukuthi wenza izinto ezi-right laphana kubo. Then waba ney'nkinga ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I wanna take you guys back. Waba ney'nkinga ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but bebaloke bamprotect-a bafowethu, bambambela ama-meeting uJunior Khanye. There was a time la yo-represent i-national team khona, azakora negoli, bokuyi-under 20 overs amajita mawadraw ne-Angola 1-1. Yizwa ukuthi bambizani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs mebekhuluma ngaye, Kaizer Chiefs behind closed doors, bebathi uyi-midfielder evelele back then. Cabanga ukuthi uyakwazi nje ukudlala kahle kakhulu noku-contribute-a ethimini, but yeah, I think yabo i-midfielder evelele kusho ukuthi bebazama ukumprotecta because bampromote ngakena 17 or 18 lapho bemncane kakhulu ehola 12,000 umfana ebona kahle ukuthi umhlaba wakhe hola 12,000 it was 2002 12,000 salary plus i-250,000 cash signing on fee kusho ukuthi ngonyaka umfana ama-12,000 ayi-12 144,000 plus 250,000 kusho ukuthi ngonyaka bekanamali ngo-2002 over 400,000 or close to just close to 400,000 plus-ke namakhaphu bake bawina ikhaphu nama-bonuses lapho over 400,000 plus nalama 10,000 or malini mebebizwe laphana ku-under 20 or ama-5,000 at the time angisakhumbula ukuthi bebathi imalini but bekuyimali eningi. Imagine na-17 18 wenza over 400,000 ngo-2002 izokuhlanyisa le mali izokuhlanyisa. Siyazi ukuthi obvious enye bathi ngeke bamnike direct enye uzosiza laphana ukwakha kubo uku-change impilo yakubo and indeed amakhosi ayi-change impilo yakho mfowethu noma nawe uyazi mekhuluma kwesinye isikhathi uyasho ukuthi no they changed my life, they really did, but-ke hey manje-ke sokwama-enemies. Asiyeni kuJabu Pule bafethu, naye uJabu Pule waba ney'nkinga ey'nkulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu anyamalala. I-Kaizer Chiefs ikhiphana ne-statement ngo-2003. Yebo lo muntu wayeyinkinga ngiyakhumbula kwakuyindaba ey'nkulu but asiqale ngama-positives bafethu. uJabu Pule could have easily became one of the biggest stars ku-South African football. 2003 belaphana eGreece because of ama-teams walaphana e-Europe bafuna ukumbheka. Wahamba wayotrayela eGreece bekune-positive outcome but-ke asazi ukuthi eGreece wafeyila kanjani yena cause bekune-buzz around the team. uBobby Mtaunge bekuyi-team manager angithi at the time, so bekaba-check abafana abaye kuma-trials laphana away overseas or kwamanye ama-teams angathi angaba better laphana but-ke we don't know. I don't wanna lie, I don't know what happened uJunior Khanye ulona wangithi uJunior Khanye uJabu Pule laphana overseas but-ke through i-behavior yakhe mawubona bekathanda ukuchaza abantu isikhathi esiningi nasemalokishini, so I don't think he was homesick maybe wacabanga ukuthi abasekho manje abantu basemalokishini so ngizothengela bani utshwala be-1,000 ukuthi abantu bangibone ukuthi ngiyiphoyisa, so izinto ezinjalo. That is why umuntu methola idili larger than life fana nokuthi ujoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs but ngimele ngokomqondo abanye abantu lesi baku-advise. Ngifuna ukuya ku-statement lese-Kaizer Chiefs esakhishwa i-Kaizer Chiefs because of wanyamalala ulokhu njalo baze bakhipha i-statement wavele wanyamalala iviki lonke laphana uJabu Pule ephuzela bazama ukumthola bamthola ephuza nama-former players ake adlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs bayaphuzela nje abana-stress noma bathi bayamncenga ukuthi endwadi bayakufuna phela e-training bathi report back to training. Hhayi umfowethu azange nje abuyele laphana e-training. Kaizer Chiefs-ke naye ikhipha ilokhu njana i-statement, nasi i-statement sakhona. Kuthiwa-ke baba ne-meeting laphana bayibamba between i-coach ne-management. uTed Dumitru laphana eNaturena ngo-1 March 2004 i-Kaizer Chiefs-ke kuthiwa bamsuspenda uJabu Pule immediately with immediate effect without ukumbhadala until azabuye laphana ethimini azofeyisa i-committee yakhona disciplinary committee ukuthi babone ukuthi icala lakhe bazolisolva kanjani lelo kuvela nyamalala. Kuthiwa-ke they got ukuthi ulona mani uJabu Pule ukuphi Sunday evening nge-29 February, yes 29 February 2004 after i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana idlala ne-Mamelodi Sundowns ku-last 32 ye-Absa Cup at ODI Stadium. A member of abantu bama-family yakhe, one of them approach ama-club officials together bemcela uJabu Pule ukuthi abuyele laphana ekhaya reporte omsebenzini the next day but-ke hayi uJabu waba-ignore vele waba-ignore azange abanake nokubanaka. Imagine lapho kuthiwa wayehleli noScapi Malatsi nabo ababedlala bobawu-2 laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs but-ke that time uScapi besedlalela amaZulu Royals but corruption-ke isaqhubeka ngabo. Hayi bafowethu. So yeah, and then after some time wabuya ejimini-ke bafowethu, wajoyina ikhempu, baripota futhi. Oh no. Waphinde man, khona la abuya khona baripota bathi-ke, baze baripota bakhipha iy'ndaba bathi hhayi, se-right-ke manje kuyabonakala ukuthi u-committed, bengekho because of begula. Baphinde bamxolela futhi ukuthi yayisebuyile lo muntu lona. Kusho ukuthi ngoba beka-talented bebambuyisa, behamba baphinde bambuyisa, ubone ukuthi bayamthanda ngempela, bayamprotect. But-ke the biggest enemy of i-progress yakhe bokuwuye bafethu, because of i-team izokuxolela kayingaki. Ngeke uloke umosha belokhu baxolela because of manje uyabastopha from ukuthi baplane kahle, benze izinto kahle. Bamxolela for some time, but baloke babona ukuthi hayi, lo muntu lo loke wenza into eyodwa, bagcine babona nalaphana e-Naturally ukuthi hayi, ngcono simrelease lo muntu lo, ayikho ngempela indaba yakhe. Yaphela kanjalo indaba yakhe ne-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke what I like about Kaizer Chiefs and yena, even namanje uyakwazi ukuyivisit i-Kaizer Chiefs because of wakwazi ukuwuthoba years later, ukuwubona amaphutha wakhe ukuthi unenkinga e-serious. So ayikho acceptable ukuthi nje avele anyamalale njalo. So zonke lezo zinto lezo babona ukuthi ekugcineni izinto engeke badile nazo. So they decided to take like serious measures ukuthi bamdedele. But ube nesikhathi esihle kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. He could have been one of the biggest stars ku-South African football in history, but-ke yeah, befuna ube distracted from izinto bezenzakala laphana outside the field of play. Utshwala, amantombazane, same thing. UJunior Khanye naye uyabizwa ngoba unyamalele umfowethu laphana ukuthi azomreplace, naye wenza same thing eyenzwa uJabu Pule. Manje sokuJabu Mahlangu. Ama-player lawo bekumele aphathe kahle, ngaba ama-legend namhlanje a-serious. But when we talk about them, khunjula ama-experience abhedayo, which is just sad. But ngicela ukuzibamba lana bafethu kwamanje. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe bafethu. Singakhohlwa ukulike, si-subscribe. Yabo ngiyayiphinda because angifuni nikhohlwe. Ngifuna subscribe button niwucofe, simeke sure ukuthi le page liyakhula. Sogijimisa 100,000 ayiKenya. Even isithatha isikhathi eside, but kumele sifike ku 100,000 subscribers. Danko bafethu.